Here is something that I thought that some of our customers may find useful. If you have our videos playing and you come over here and you click on the cogwheel and then you go to subtitles and you auto generate them in English, you have your subtitles here. At that point, you can actually click on this cogwheel again. Okay, click on the subtitles, and now you can choose any language that you may want to use. So if we want to translate into German, we click on the German tab, and now it is translating into German over here for us. So something that uh, you may find useful for some of our customers that may the language that we make these videos in. Go back in here and you can change it to, you can turn it off and then change it to whatever else you'd like. Again, you go into the auto translate, you can pick a different language here. Just thought that that may be helpful. Thanks again for all your support.